Hey guys, I'm Rumela, and in today's episode of Makeup Masterclass, we are going to talk about liquid lipsticks, and I'm also going to share with you guys some do's and don'ts about applying a liquid lipstick. The number one rule when it comes to applying a liquid lipstick is never apply your liquid lipstick on chapped lips. Always exfoliate your lips well in advance and then make sure to use a lip balm when you moisturize your skin before going on with your makeup. Let the lip balm moisturize your lips until you do the rest of your face, and then before you apply your lipstick, make sure to take the excess lip balm off. Don't just apply your liquid lipstick from anywhere. Always start off with the Cupid's bow and make sure to outline your lips and then fill them in. Always apply 1 or 2 thin layers of liquid lipstick and do not overdo it. If you overdo your lipstick, it will be very sticky and it will make your lips look cracked and chapped, which is not a good sight. To take the liquid lipstick off, don't just rub vigorously using a cotton pad or makeup wipes. Always make sure to use an oil-based cleanser to gently remove the liquid lipstick off. So that's all I had for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have made any of these mistakes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.